Hi, second grade. Welcome to your math video. Today we are going to be learning how to count to 100. Most of you already know how to do that. So we are going to be practicing looking at the 100 numbers chart and doing a couple of other things. But first, we need our math meeting sheet. We need our September calendar, and we need our weather graph chart. Perfect. Again, we need our math meeting sheet, our September calendar, and our September weather graph. So if you don't have that already, hit pause and go get it. Okay, thank you for coming right back. I'm going to share my screen with you. Again, boys and girls, if I'm going a little too quick for you, remember to put pause and take your time, but just put pause. Okay. So let's look at our calendar, see what day it is today. Yesterday was the 13th and today is the 14th. So today is September 14th, 2020. I'm gonna leave it right here so you know how to spell September. So remember, write it in your best handwriting. If it is not in your best handwriting, I will give you another sheet of paper and you will write it again. September 14. Remember to put that comma right after, comma 2020. Okay, there are how many more days until October? Well, let's look at how to spell October. It's over here. So write October right here. October. It's the of her. Of her. There are how many more days till October? Well, let's count. Do we ever start with the date where we're counting? No, we always count starting the next day. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. There are 17 more days until October. How fun. Okay, perfect. Our pattern for today is this. Fill in the blank. There are 3 blanks. Fill in the blank. Give you some time. Put pause right now if you still need to finish writing in the date and then the second line where it asks how many more days until October. If you still need time, put pause right now. Put pause right now to finish filling it in. If you are done, let's continue. So what's our pattern, boys and girls? Triangle 100, triangle 99, triangle 98. So what's the pattern? You're right, there's always a triangle. It starts with the triangle. So let's go on and write that down. Triangle 100, triangle 99, triangle 98, triangle, number, triangle. So what's our number? Let's see what the pattern is for our number. 100, 99, 98. Are we adding? Are we going up? Or are we going down? Yes, we're going down. 100, 99, 98. Good job, 97. We are not doing money, so we can cross that one off. The clock, what time is it right now? Right now for me, it is 1:46 p.m. We'll go over what this means later on in the week. But for me, it is 1:46 p.m. in the afternoon. What time is it for you? What time is it when you are watching this video? Go ahead and write that down. If you need more time, put pause right now. We will blank today at blank. We will blank today at blank. We will eat lunch today at noon, 12. Say that with me. We will eat lunch today at 12 or noon. 3 number sentences for today's number are, today's number is 1. 1. So make sure you are writing 3 number sentences for 1. If you need more time, put pause right now. Let's see. My number sentences for today are going to be 1 plus 1 equals 1 plus 5 equals, and 1 plus 10 equals. Let's go ahead and solve those. Remember, for these number sentences, you can pick any number sentences you want. These are the ones I'm doing. If you would like to copy the ones I'm doing, you're more than welcome to do so. If you need more time, put pause right now. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 5 is 6. 1 plus 10 is 11. Good job. So that is it for our math meeting sheet. If you still need more time, put pause right now so that you can look at the sheet of paper and finish filling it out. Put pause right now because I'm about to change the screen. Okay, now you need your weather graph. So take that out. It's been pretty warm outside. So we're gonna click warm. Remember, we're using an orange crayon for warm. So make sure to take out your orange crayon. Don't color a different color. Orange crayon. We're gonna color this box. Perfect. Good job. Okay, put it away. Okay, boys and girls, now that we've done that, let us continue our lesson. Okay, so today we're going to be counting by tens to 100. How many of you know how to count to 100 already? Good, good. How many of you still need a little bit more practice? That's okay too. We'll keep on practicing, okay? So how about we count? How about we look at our 100 numbers chart? So I'm going to share my screen. You don't have that, so don't worry about it. I'm going to share my screen with you so that we can find it. Where is it? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. There it is. There's our 100 numbers chart. Okay, so let's count by, I'm gonna use this little thing that I have. Let's see, where is it? Okay, here we go. Okay, boys and girls, I'm just going to, you're just gonna look at the 100 numbers chart and we'll count together. Okay, let's count by 10s to 100. You ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's do that again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now let's count backwards. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Boys and girls, it is so important that you are saying these numbers with me. If you are not saying them with me out loud, your brain is not remembering it. Our brains are these awesome, it's an awesome organ that we have in our body, right? God gave this beautiful gift of a brain. And the way that the brain works is that when you say something out loud and you're looking at it, it creates this path in your brain. It creates a connection. And the more that you say it and the more that you see it, that connection becomes solid and you will remember it. Okay, so let's keep on practicing. Please say it out loud with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, so now what we're going to do is I am going to teach you, how to write with Roman numerals. We're only gonna do 3 Roman numerals today. And you might be thinking, what is a Roman numeral, Miss Santana? I will explain to you. So the Romans who we're gonna be learning about next week, were these awesome, courageous people that live a long time ago. And they wrote their numbers in a different way. We write our numbers differently than they did. They mean the same thing. The numbers still mean the same thing. 1 still means 1 and 2 still means 2, but they wrote them differently. And I'm gonna teach you how to write those numbers. Okay, so let me get my handy dandy clipboard so that I can show you how to do that. So right now, I did not give you a piece of paper to write this on, but if you could go get a piece of paper, any piece of paper, that would be awesome. So right now, put pause and go get a piece of paper. It doesn't have to be just a normal piece of paper. So put pause and go get that. Welcome back. So I'm gonna share my screen and let's go ahead and write these Roman numerals. Okay, boys and girls, here we are. The Romans were very simple. This number is what? It's a 1, right? Guess what the Romans wrote for a 1? It looks almost the same. So the brown color will be the way that we write numbers, and then the green color will be the way that the Romans write colors. So right now, on one side of your paper, go ahead and write 1. If you need a little bit more time, go ahead and put pause. So the Romans, we write 1 like this. The Romans would write 1 like this. Does that remind you of a letter? Yeah, it kind of looks like the letter I, right? So 1 looks like this. Are you ready to see what 2 looks like? So we write 2 like this. Go ahead and write a 2 down. Good. If you need a little bit more time, go ahead and put pause. The Romans wrote 2 like this. They would write down 2 lines, and then they would write a horizontal line like that. 2. Can you kind of guess what 3 might look like? So now I want you to write down 3. Okay, there's our 3. Go ahead and write that 3 down. If you need more time, put pause right now. Put pause right now. Okay. Do you kind of see the pattern of what they were doing? What do you think 3 might look like? Yeah, you're very right. Okay, so we're gonna draw 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. And then we will draw a line, a vertical line across. Can you do that? Good. So this is how the Romans would write their numbers. 1 is a straight line with 2 vertical lines on top and 1 at the bottom. 2 is 2 lines with 1 vertical line at the top and 1 vertical line at the bottom. And 3 is 3 lines. 1 vertical line at the top and 1 vertical line at the bottom. Okay, that's it for today. I want to introduce to you today the Roman numerals, okay? We'll keep on practicing those as the weeks go by. Thank you so much for joining me, boys and girls. Have a great rest of your day. And don't forget to do your worksheet. Remember, there is a backside to the worksheet that has your, you need to finish this worksheet. Remember to do the backside. Have a great rest of your day. Totus tuus, Maria.